Spot. You already know. All right, you ready?
Yep, thanks to Lowe's.
Thanks to Lowe's. Hashtag Lowe's need to sponsor us. Got some vanity lights. Now we just need a mirror and faucet, which I think I'm gonna get off Amazon. This is what I really want, y'all. I think you just like getting paint stuff. Yep. Every time we paint, y'all, he always get another roller.
We got this one.
He always get another roller and more paintbrushes. Like, why don't he just reuse the ones we have? That's just too simple, right? All right. Every time we go to Lowe's, $100 off the bat.
$100 for
every time.
Never fails.
Well, it was $600 the other day, so we're getting better. So Lowe's, you done took our money. Can you sponsor me now? Progress update. We primed that. We primed that behind the toilet. Then we're gonna repaint everything that's yellow again. And then do the baseboards and the ceiling. And the ceiling's primed. Looking good. The lighting's bad because we don't have lighting in here, but y'all get the gist, right? This is day 2. The lights are still not in. Jason did a lot of this, I must say, with this, and he said that he had to wait for the paint to dry completely so he can install the vanity and see better to see if he messed up. And then of course he has to paint the ceiling, that's just primer, and still have to do the baseboards. And I think we can finish all that today. Looks like we got a package. And this is the bathroom stuff, y'all. So excited. This beauty here, I like.
Wire, I want that PVC. There's a lot of stuff going on right there.
Good job. So glad I have a handy husband. This is my job right here. I'm the holder, the assistant. We're using my ring light for light. I'm doing my assistant duties and holding it. It's gonna look great. So the moment of truth, we're gonna test the light. Oh! And it works. And the exhaust fan works. Perfect. Thumbs up. I'm doing my duties, right? Assisting. Let go. All right. Is it working?
I don't know yet.
Dora likes to help on our projects. Right? You help sometimes? Yeah. So now we're getting the plumbing right. And I say we, I mean he. That marble heavy? Oh. Uh-oh. As you can see, we got the door back on. me get a good angle. Isn't she lovely?
Isn't she lovely?
And we have running. Alright guys, I got a little excited, so I'm gonna show you a little preview while I'm trying to stage everything and get everything. So I still haven't changed the door handles. I don't really want to show y'all me. Alright, but this mirror has to get hung still. We got the vanity lights hung. I found this bamboo towel holder thingy, paper towel holder. I just got this candle. I love candles, and it had the bamboo vibe. I'm testing this out. I also have another one coming in that I think I like better, but I like the bamboo white, you know. You get it? Yeah. I got this mat. Let's see how that goes. I feel like that's the perfect size there. At first I was gonna get something to hang on the wall, but I don't know if I like that better or rather have something on the wall. And then I got the trash can in there. And I have this picture, but I feel like it's too small for this wall. So I wanna get a bigger picture to go behind the toilet there. I thought I'd take you guys along through the process of how I'm deciding what to get, kind of plan, staging things, changing things, you know, seeing how I want to go. I also got these light covers. Let me show you. Which are nice. I got those. Yeah, I'm iffy about this. I don't know if something should go on this wall or not. I don't know. I was kind of thinking like maybe a floating shelf and a green plant. What do y'all think about greenery? Let me go get a plant and see what how I like the green. Let's see. So I definitely like the greenery. This is a real plant, so I don't know. I don't really do fake plants, so I don't know how it would survive in the bathroom with no lighting in here. Not on the back of the toilet per se, but maybe like in a hanging macrame. What is it called? Macrame or something like that. I figure I could hang it here in the door handle, and I think I'm doing pretty good. I got the old one off already. Here's the new one. I'm putting it in now. All right, the moment you guys been waiting for, the big reveal. Come on inside. It's small but nice. It's our half bath. It is the bathroom that all our guests use when they come visit. I hope you guys like it. All right, so we got this nice rug here from Home Goods. I got these handles, Amazon. Lowe's came through with the vanity. I got this nice soap dish from Target, or soap pump from Target. This faucet's from Amazon. I think this is from Home Goods. Got this vanity from Lowe's. I showed you guys opening that. Let me show you guys this mirror. We got as a gift. Plates for the sockets from Lowe's. Trash bin from Target. And here's what I'm not done with. I want to add some greenery there, so maybe a succulent or something like that. I don't know, you guys comment down below some ideas to put right there, but I definitely want some more greenery in the bathroom. I hope you guys like this bathroom tour. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also comment some ideas that I can put in this little hexagon here. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.